Hello friends, we will start with data interpretation questions asked in UGC NTA NET part 3. We have discussed part 1 and part 2. You can check. Okay, we will discuss now question number 21 to 25. Consider the following table that shows the number in lakhs of different sizes of LED television sets sold by a company over the last 7 years from 2012 to 2018. Answer the question based on the data contained in the table. So you can see the table sales in the LED television in lakhs of different sizes. So years are given here and the sizes of the different television sets are given. So first question says, what is the total sale of television sets of size 49 inches over all the 7 years? So you can see 49 inches all the 7 years. So what you do here? Here the values are 118, 136, 145, 85, 100, 130 and 155. First of all, you will add all the hundreds place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will be 600. Then comes 1 plus 3 plus 4, that is 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 19 plus 5 is 24. Then comes 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 4, 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 5, sorry, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 10, 24. 24 plus 5 is 29. That is 9, 6, 8, 869. Let's see the options. 869, option number 4 is correct. Next comes question number 22. What was the approximate percentage increase or decrease in the sales of 32 inches LED television in 2017 compared to the 2013? So 32 inches television in 2017 and 2013, we have to see this value, and 2017 is the 175 value. Okay, so 175 minus 112 upon compared to the 2013, so definitely that's why 112 will come below. When you check it, solve it, 63 upon 112 into 100, the value will be 56.25%. Let's see the options. Option number 2 is correct. Next comes the question, for which size LED television sets is the total sales of all the 7 years the maximum? We will see the values of all these. We can directly add. Also, other way is to observe all these values. You can see here many values are near to 100, okay, above 100 but less than 150. Here most of the values, here half values are above 100 and half values are below 100. Here maximum values are above 150. So most probably the 32 inches is the maximum. Next comes in this one, here many values are less than 100 as well. Here you can see there is less values above 150, so maximum value is this 32 inches. Other way is you can directly add. When you add it, it will give you 746. 24 inches will be added and given you 764. 32 inches added is gives you 971. 40 inches gives you 671 and 49 inches gives you 869, as we have seen in the last question, right? So maximum value is 971, 32 inches. Let's see the answer. The option number C is correct. Next question, what is the difference in the number of 40 inches television sets sold in 2013 and 18? 2013 and 18, this value and this value, difference 1110 1110 minus 94, which gives you 16 in lakhs, so it is 10 raised to power 5. Let's check the value. It is 16 lakh. Next question, for which LED television set is the total sales of all the 7 years is the minimum? So we have to check all the television sets value and which is the minimum. As I have discussed with you, here the values are less than 100. Many values are less than 100, so that's why 40 inches is the minimum. Otherwise, I have discussed with you, add all these values and you can see here 671 is the least, right? So you can check the answer, 40 inches is correct. Next question, we will discuss now question number 26 to 30. Consider the following table that shows the production of fertilizers by a company in 10,000 tons during the year 2011 to 2018. Answer the questions based on the data contained in the table. Year 2011 to 2018 is given and the productions of fertilizers are given, okay, in tons. These values are in tons, correct, in 10,000 tons. So the question number 26 says, what was the approximate percentage increase in the production of fertilizers in 2018 compared to that in the 2011? So we will see this value and this value. Difference we have to tell. So it is 90 minus 35 compared to 2018. Here it is saying 2018 compared to 2011. So 2011 se we have compared, so 35 will be below. Whenever it is written compared to, so this value will be in denominator into 100. When you solve it, it will be 55 by 35 into 100, which will be 157.14. Let's see the options. It is 157%. Next question, in how many of the given years was the production of fertilizers more than the average production of given years? So here what you have to do, how many of the given years was the production of fertilizers more than the average? So first we have to take out the average and we have to check which value is more than the average. So it is like 35 plus 50 plus 70 plus 55 plus 75 plus 60 plus 85 plus 90. 5 5 5 5 20, 2 carry, 5 10 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 5 22, 22 plus 7 29, 29 plus 6, 29 plus 6 is 35, 35 plus 8 43, 43 plus 9 is 52. So 520, 8 values are given, correct. All these numbers are 2011 to 2018 is 8, correct. So 520 divided by 8 gives 65. We have to check how many values are above 65. So we can see here 1 2 3 4, these values are above 65. So let's check the option. Option number 4 is correct. As more than 65, there are 4 fertilizer companies. Next, the average production of 2012 and 2013 was exactly equal to the average production of which of the pairs of years? So 2012 and 2013, first we have to see this. 50 plus 70 by 2 gives you 120 by 2, that is 60. 60. Same kind of 60 after being giving after the average. After the average, we have to check which is having the 60 value. We will do like this. We will add all these values. First we see 120, which will give you 120. You can see 35 plus 85 will give you 120. 11, 12, 120 by 2, it's 60. So you can say 2011 and 2017, when average, then it will give you 60 value. So let's see the options. 2011 and 17, sorry. You can check the other options as well. 2011 and 2012, it is like 35 plus 50, that is 85, not 120, correct? Then other option, third option says 2013 and 2014, 50 plus 55, it is 85, sorry, 105, again not 120. Then the fourth option says 2015 and 2016, 75 plus 60, that is 135, again not 120. This option is correct. Next question. In which year the percentage increase in the production as compared to the previous year was maximum? So we have to see from previous year which value is maximum. You can see it's increasing. Here it's again increasing. This also increasing, this increasing, and this increasing. So we can say 2012, 2013, 2015, 2017 and 2018, the values are increasing. So 50 minus 35 for 2012, 50 minus 35 by 35. Another is 70 minus 50 upon 50, 2013. Then comes 75 minus 55 upon 55. Then comes 85 minus 60 upon 60 in 2017. In 2015. So when you solve all these values, and the last one is in 2018, 90 minus 85 upon 85, 5 by 85, it will be 15 by 35, 20 by 50, 75. This difference will be 20 by 55. Here it will be 25 by 60. When you solve all these values, the highest percentage, this will be 42%, this will be 40%, 36%, 29%, and just a second, it is 25 by 60. And this is 5 by 85%, which gives you 29%. So the highest value will be of this 42%. 42% is the maximum. So you can see option number 2012 is the maximum value. Next question says What was the percentage decline in the production of fertilizer in 2013 to 2014? So we will see of these two, right? That means 70 minus 55 upon, as it is about the previous year, so it will be 70 into 100. 515 upon 70 into 100, that is 21.4%. Let's see the options. Option number 2 is correct. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the Brainy LIS videos.